Hi guys, it's Alana, and as you know, it is Bonfire night, and we are going to take you with us for Bonfire, and we're standing up in this room. First of all, we have to tidy it, and yeah, so this is just a wee skit, so you know that obviously today's Bonfire, like I told you, and you're just coming with us. And yes, I hope you can make it. So the people that is included in this video is of course me, because this is the one that's filming it. Dylan Owen is also with me today. Yay! And he is also doing it in his channel. As you can see, as you will see through some of his videos, I will be in it, and as you will see through my videos, he will be in it. So hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe and put a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you can make it. Thank you.